Behold, the country's unifying cultural treasure, the most visited symbol of our artistic and historic wealth, the Philippine International Convention Center, hosting the nation's most historical moments. With world-class excellence and warm Filipino spirit. The PICC successfully completed its first ever extensive restoration, enabling it to live out its rich Filipino heritage and at the same time evolve to solidify its place as the country's top meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions venue. The PICC reopens its doors to an unrivaled new chapter where technology and innovation are now embedded within its wealth of heritage and art.
In our beautiful restoration project, we softened harsh lines with curved edges. We tempered dramatic darkness with warm light. We saw to it that a 1970s vision and creation is thrust in a truly modern setting. We did our best to honor the genius of Lindy Locsin by making sure that PICC is not just relevant, but is a shining beacon all the way until the present century.
It's a recognition, basically, of what was originally there was really good. Okay, they got it right the first time. So the directive for us is actually to restore things back to their original state, or as close to the original state as possible. Keeping in mind, of course, that the world has moved a little bit and some adjustments had to be made, right? What makes this building kind of unique is that you feel the human hand in the architecture. And you feel that. You feel that sort of human element was really introduced and applied to these finishes and to the surfaces of the building. And it makes a huge difference.
Each detail of the restoration was masterfully crafted to balance form and function with a distinctly Filipino identity, reclaiming its place as a masterpiece you can walk through, work in, and wonder from within.
They seem like simple things, but when you take that into its entirety, recovering some of the upholstery and the furniture, or coming as close as possible to the original colors, the building suddenly sort of begins to vibrate, as it did, 40 years, 50 years ago. So it's really nice to see that building come to life. The little details matter.
Today, we unveil a PICC that breaks the limits of a convention center and magnificently thrusts the Philippines back into the world stage.
We want them to see the beauty of our walls, our marble floors. We want them to hear the cleanest, crispest sound through our modern AV equipment, but also through our natural spaces. We want them to touch our raw, unfinished cement and concrete, which are the hallmarks of a truly brutalist structure. We want them to smell and taste distinctly Filipino cuisine in our premier restaurant, Amor Solo.
To me, the PICC is not just a venue. It's a space where important conversations take place. Conversations about policy, conversations about cooperation, even conversations about history. The PICC allows us to welcome the world with confidence. So the focus is not just on preserving the PICC's facilities, but on keeping it useful, well-maintained, and at par with global standards, so that it continues to serve our country well.
This year, as we celebrate our golden anniversary, we also have the honor of hosting the ASEAN Summit.
Major events like the ASEAN meetings in 2026 are important milestones that represent our ability to host the world with professionalism. I see institutions like PICC as national assets.
This is where preservation and progress come together, beautifully weaving together tradition and modernization, against the breathtaking tapestry of history, culture, and the arts.
At the end of the day, architecture is for people.
What we want to happen is people will still feel that sense of unity and togetherness long after they leave our spaces.
When institutions are built well and taken care of, they serve the country for generations.
This is where heritage meets innovation. Welcome back to the Philippine International Convention Center.